Welcome to the second tutorial or part 2 of these tutorials. This tutorial we're going to be sending a transaction to test our Nebulas installation. So to do this, one of the first steps is we need to create an account or create a address. You're going to have two addresses. One I'm going to give you. The second you're going to create yourself. So you will be called the receiver address. And to create a new address, we're going to use this command inside the root directory. So let's open up our terminal. I'm going to go ahead and start off with two terminals. Okay, put this here. And the first, let's go ahead and cd into our root directory. Go to source. Okay, GitHub, go Nebulas. There you go. I'm going to copy this, paste it into this, and okay. Now we have two terminals opened in our root directory. The next step is to copy this command. Let's move this over so we can see what we're doing. Now we're programming. All right. Copy this command. Copy it into this. This here, we're going to create a new account. Okay. It asks, we need a passphrase. I'm going to give it 1. Repeat it, 1. And it prints out an address. And now that is our receiving address. The next step is to start our node. Okay, it's a little different from last time. We're going to use some arguments. So first step is to use this command. Now we're going to let's open up another terminal actually in our root directory just to make this clean. I want this nice and clean. So let's copy this, open up a new, go. Okay, now we got 3 terminals open to the root directory. Here we're gonna start here we created our address. We'll use this for that. This terminal we're gonna use to start the first Nebulas or the seed node. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong command. We need to run this command here. Okay, copy that, paste that in. Now we're running the seed node. Okay, in this terminal, we're going to go ahead and run this command, and this will be the normal node. Okay, we need both of them started. Oh, an error. What does it say? Failed to set up blockchain. Error. The size of the initial dynasty indigenous block is unsafe. Should be greater or equal to 8. Okay. Seems like we had this problem before. Let's go ahead and open the root directory up. It says the genus configured file has a problem. Let's open that up with a text editor, and we need to add 2 more addresses. What is this? This is not what I want here. Close that. Don't save. I don't know what that is. Here we want this. This is our genus.config. We want to just copy these addresses, and what we're going to do is just paste it in. Add a comma here. Okay. Save it, and that will make the error go away that we have here. Now run that command again. Error is gone, and we are mining. See? So let's use curl. to interact with a Nebulas. So curl with this command, this is going to check the balance of the given address. I'm giving you this address to use. Okay? This is not the address you created. So with the, let's go ahead and we save this. Now close it. With our third, this is the third terminal we had open. You don't leave these alone. Paste in this command, enter. We see we have a balance of 10, or just say 10, okay, a nonce of 0 with our given address. Now the next command we have is checking the address we created. We should have a balance of 0 and 0 nonce. Let's confirm that. Address invalid. Why do we have a address invalid? Oh, because we need to put your address in. I kind of jumped the line here. Jumped the gun. Okay, we need to get this address inside these quotations. Paste that in, enter. Oh, we have a balance of 10,000. Oh, because what I did was use our address, the given address. We want to use the address we created, which is here. So let's try that one more time. Remove this address. It's good to make mistakes and learn from them. That's how you get better. Okay. Okay, now the address is in there. Okay, balance 0, non-zero. Great. It's a good sign that everything is going swell so far. Let's send and verify transfers. So the first things first, we need to unlock the address I gave you. So to unlock it, we need to use this command. Just copy this command into this terminal, paste, and it will say result is true, which means it is unlocked, as you can see here as well. Okay, now that it's unlocked, we can execute a transfer. So this command, and with this command, we need to make some edits to it. First, we see the 2, we need to add our address. So our address is here. Oh, this is my address. Your address is going to be different. Okay, let's make our edit inside the quotations. Paste it in, enter. Okay, what we did now was create a TX hash. It's like a receipt for the transaction that just took place. This transaction, you can see that we sent a value of 10 from the address I gave you, which had balance, to the address you made. Okay, value of 10 and a nonce of 1. This is like a counter to count. Like each time you make a transaction, it adds 1, adds 2, adds 3. Next step. Now we want to check the balance. Okay. Oh, this is the recent nonce. That's not important. Let's check. Let's get back to the TX hash. What is that we created? Well, that is like the receipt. So we want to check the receipt and make sure the transaction happened. So let's copy this address, this TX hash address. Let's paste it inside the quotations. Enter. We see that we have a value of 10. This is good. And nonce 1. Okay. Looking good. Now let's check the balance, your balance. So we're going to be checking the address that you created. So back to the terminal. Add your address, which should be Where is my address? From, yes. No, it's the to address, so this one. Okay, copy that in. The to address into here to check if you have a balance now. And it's saying a balance of 0, none to 0. So there's obviously a problem on the Nebulas. I'm guessing the next update this will be fixed, and I will make another video once this is fixed. But this was a demonstration on how to send a transaction. Next tutorial we'll be doing running a smart contract. See you next time.